For the next contestant, the world of showbiz seems a million miles away.
It's Paul, a mobile phone salesman from South Wales.
By day, I sell mobile phones. My dream is to spend my life doing what I feel that I was born to do.
Paul, what are you here for today, Paul?
To sing opera. I've always wanted to sing as a career. Confidence has always been sort of like a difficult thing for me. I've always found it a little bit difficult to be completely confident in myself.
OK. Ready when you are. So you work at Carphone Warehouse, and you did that. I wasn't expecting that.
No, neither was I.
This was a complete breath of fresh air. I thought you were absolutely fantastic.
You have an incredible voice. I think if you keep singing like that, you are going to be one of the favourites to win this whole competition.
I think that we've got a case of a little lump of coal here that is going to turn into a diamond.
Okay, moment of truth, young
Paul
man.
Potts går videre til næste runde.
Absolutely, yes.
Publikum elsker ham.
Paul, you are through to the next round.
Han har kun sunget opera som amatør. Alligevel når Paul Potts 8 dage senere finalen i et program, han næsten ikke turde tilmelde sig.
The winner of Britain's Got Talent is...
Pludselig står mobiltelefonsælgeren fra Wales foran 13,5 millioner seere og venter på deres dom.
Paul Potts!
Det var midt i juni, og lige siden har Paul Potts liv ikke været det samme. Med sejren fulgte en pladekontrakt, over 1 million kroner og et nyt liv som stjerne.
I cannot believe it at all. I still look like jelly. I'm like jelly again, I think.
Han er allerede et hit i USA, ligger nummer 1 på hitlisterne i flere lande og har solgt over 20.000 CD'er herhjemme på under 3 uger.